Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hi, I'm just picking up a mobile order. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Megan, and as you guys can see, I had a nice slow Sunday morning, and today I'm just going to be taking you guys through all the things that I do typically on Sundays to prep for a new week and reset myself to start the next week off strong. When I was growing up, I absolutely dreaded Sundays and I hated Mondays, and it's really funny to me how now that has flipped, and now I love the end of the week and I love preparing to start a week off fresh, and I've really grown to love my reset as well as a new fresh start to a week. I love to do things to make my life easier and make my Mondays flow, and honestly I love romanticizing my Mondays, getting back on a routine, getting back on track, and really having a fresh start to a week. I feel like I didn't really start this whole Sunday reset thing until I went to college, and that was just kind of my designated day to get my shit together, because when you're in college sometimes things can catapult into an absolute mess. When I was in college living with others, obviously I wanted to take them into account and make sure that our space was clean, and so as like a household we all decided that Sundays were our cleaning days. We would all do things around the apartment to clean it up, and that was just something that kind of stuck with me, and I was like, why do I do this for others? I should be doing this for me as well, because I like the way it feels. So that is kind of where this started for me, and if you haven't had something like this in your routine yet and you're looking to, I couldn't recommend it more. Don't feel like you have to jump into like a full clean your whole house and reset your whole life. Like, don't feel like that. Just do really basic things to make your next day easier. So as you guys can see, I cleaned basically everything up. I kind of tidied up my bedroom, my desk, and I did my bathroom. Right when I do my bathroom, then I immediately take a shower because I just feel really grimy and dirty. And now I'm kind of done with the main cleaning points. Obviously I want to clean other parts downstairs in my house, but I'm done with my spaces, and that already makes me feel so good. I do actually have a good amount of work to do today, but that's okay. I'm gonna get it done. So I'm gonna get dressed, and then I have a super exciting sponsor of today's video that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Okay, now that I am caffeinated and clean, I'm very excited to chat you guys through the sponsor of today's video. I am partnering with Bare Mattresses. I have a new mattress on my bed. So I actually got the mattress when I was on vacation, and then I installed the mattress onto my bed last Sunday. So I've officially been sleeping on this bed for 7 days. I wanted to do that purposefully so that I could give you guys kind of an opinion and not just put a new mattress on my bed and then tell you guys about it. But Bare Mattress actually, when reaching out to me, made sure that I filled out a Bare Mattress sleep quiz. I personally sleep on my side, and I prefer not hard but not super soft. Like, I'm just that in the middle kind of person, and since I sleep by myself, there's no one sharing this bed, I wanted to ensure that my mattress was to my personal standards. So when I took the quiz, I ended up matching with the Elite Hybrid Medium Comfort bed, and like I mentioned earlier, I've only been sleeping on this for 7 days, so I can obviously attest to a week's worth of time, but then I'll definitely be updating you guys as time goes on the mattress. I actually pumped it up and I slept on it on the exact same day, and it's totally fine to do that. I had such a good night's rest, and I've been having such a great night's rest for the past 7 days. So while you guys watch my mattress just fluff up, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit more about Bare Mattresses in case you guys aren't super familiar. Bare Mattresses have sleep recovery technology. Bare sleep recovery technology uses Sealant powered fabric to help you stay cool throughout the night. All of Bare Mattresses are also Green Guard Gold certified, Sturdy Per US certified, Eco Flex fiberglass free, so that sleepers can lie on the mattress knowing that it is safe and non-toxic. And one of the most convenient things is that Bare delivers the mattress right to you, and it's nice and concealed so that you don't have to worry about not having the right size car to fit a new mattress or the transportation of getting it. It arrives right to your doorstep. And also, I know that there's a lot of apprehension that comes with buying something that is meant to be super long term and not knowing if it's going to be the right fit for you. And something that I really liked about Bare is that they have an 120 night sleep trial. So that's more than 3 months that you get to make sure that you love the product. And if you don't love it, they will pick it up for you and you will get a full refund. And they also have a lifetime warranty with different financing options and flexible payment plans so that a great night's sleep is never far away. So if you are someone that is in need of a new mattress, then go over to bearmattresses.com and you can use my code to also get 30% off of your purchase. And I just want to thank you, Bear Mattresses, again so much for sponsoring this video. Sorry that it's kind of backlit behind me, but I am about to get to doing some Sunday working stuff. So this is another part of my reset routine. Every single Sunday is also the day that I update client programs, kind of catch up on brand collab, just make sure that I'm set up for the week. Because typically I leave things a little loose on Friday from the previous week, and I kind of try to take Saturday to not really do a lot of work. And then Sunday I try to get everyone on track. So I love to get my clients on track on Sunday, touch base with them. It's kind of just a good time to get everyone on track and excited about the next week of training. So I'm gonna get started doing some of that, and then the rest of that I'm gonna do later tonight. I had two little packages that I wanted to show you guys. Got this bag from Boo-Ray. So cute. I've been eyeing this bag for a long time from them, but I finally got it, and it's a lot different size than I thought in the best way. So it is kind of this like quilted material. My intention when getting this is thinking summer beach days and quick days out. Obviously it's like washable, so that's super nice. It's quite roomier than I thought. I also think this would make a really good carry-on bag because it has a zipper here. On the inside, it's pretty spacious. It's got a lot of room. It has some pockets and whatnot. So I'm super excited to give it a shot. And then in the back here, it has a pocket as well. And it's just a really cute color. And also I have the 13-inch max, so it'll also fit in here, which is nice because I've been trying to go travel more and also go just like to coffee shops to do work instead as a change of scenery. So it's kind of nice that this can be my go-to bag for all those things. So I got this. I think it's called the Naomi Tote from Boo-Ray. And then I have a code with Boo-Ray, Legs with Schmegs, which saves you guys about 10%. I got this super exciting package from Benefit, which is a makeup company. When I was in 7th grade, I decided I want to get my eyebrows done and I didn't know where to go, so I went to the Ulta Benefit Brow Bar. And I also tried a lot of Benefit's products when I was growing up because I used to watch like beauty gurus and stuff. So I wanted to show you guys. There's so much stuff in here. It actually blew my mind when I opened it. This is so much makeup, more makeup than I even own and have ever owned in my life. So first we have 4 different little powder boxes. I've already tried Hoola. This is like one of the most popular bronzers out there. And then these 3 are different kind of bronzers as well as highlighting blush things. So I really like these. And then funny fact, this was the most popular mascara when I was growing up. It's the They're Real. I had it, I used it, full circle moment to now get it. And I've also tried the Roller Lash mascara and I really like it. I've not tried this Bad Gal waterproof one. I don't usually reach for waterproof just because she be waterproof and it's hard to take it off, but sometimes I'll need it, like maybe if I go to the beach and want to wear a little bit. And then this is the They're Real Magnet mascara, which I have never heard of, so I'm excited to try that out. This is the Bad Gal Bang in the non-waterproof mascara as well. This is the Professional Setting Spray. I haven't tried that, but I have tried the Professional Primer, and I don't have a primer right now, so perfect timing. And I also don't have a setting spray. I don't have much makeup, I must say. It's like a little pencil sharpener, I think, for some of the products that are pencils. And then this is a brush, which I'm excited to see. And then a liner. I don't really wear liner a lot. I used to wear eyeliner a lot, but I feel like if I'm going for like a glam one day, then I will use that. This is the Boing Concealer. I really hope this shade works for me. It's really hard for me to pick a shade online. Then the Benetint drops for your cheeks and your lips. I've actually used this before and really liked it. I had it in a different color. And then this is a brow pencil. I got a lot of brow products. This is the Gimme Brow. this was the first product that I used on my eyebrows because they recommended it to me when I got my eyebrows done at the Benefit bar. Another brow pencil, brow setter, brow wax. I'm scared of wax, I must say. Brow pomade, which I'm very interested to try because I've been interested in trying. Then there's a microfilling pen and a brow pencil. So many goodies. I'm literally just so excited to try all these out, and I'll kind of just be trying them out as I wear my makeup. I don't wear a ton of makeup throughout the week, obviously, because I work from home and I go to the gym, but I typically on the weekends do things where I like to do a little glam. So thank you so much, Benefit. I'm so excited to be working with them. I ended up having a little snack break. My boyfriend and I went to Nando's and just got some chicken, and then I got some for my mom to go. But I'm gonna show you guys, I didn't get to show you guys my outfit because it It was kind of last minute. I'm literally gonna show you guys on the tripod. This is ridiculous, but I'm just wearing actually the Timeless collection. So I'm wearing the Timeless in deep taupe with the Timeless leggings, some socks that I got from Aerie, my little Uggs, and then my sweater that I wore all trip that I have from Kohl's. It's so soft. I think this sweater was literally like 20 bucks when we got it, and I got it in like the biggest size, and I just love this kind of look. So just want to show you guys. I'm feeling refueled and I still have so much work to do, so we're gonna keep on doing some work. It's literally 10 p.m. I just finished doing all of my work today. I hate when I leave so much for myself for Sundays, but at the same time, it's what feels right in the moment. So I finally got all my client programs done. I have the most clients that I've ever had for one-on-one coaching, which has been insane. It's been amazing to work with so many of you guys, but that also means triple, quadruple the time that I would typically spend on things like updating programs on Sundays and calls and stuff like that. So I'm just like obviously learning to manage that properly, but I think I did a good job for this week. I also am finally caught up on YouTube. I feel like I was really struggling. I feel like I just spread myself too thin. It's perfectly manageable for me when I didn't travel like 11 days, but when I take that long, it's kind of overwhelming. But I'm finally back on track, so I have everything filmed, and now I can get back to just filming and uploading at the same time as opposed to having 5 videos to upload. It was just super overwhelming. So I hope you guys enjoyed the crazy influx of content, but now it'll be a lot less rush for me and a lot more fun, obviously, to film and for you guys to watch. That is basically the bulk of what I wanted to get done today. I feel like I had a good day of productive cleaning, productive work, but also enjoying my day and going and doing something. I'm very hungry, so I think my next thing I'm gonna do is go downstairs and I'm gonna eat, and then after that I'm gonna kind of wind down and chat you guys through what I do the night before a new week to prep, because I do some things in preparation for myself. Like I feel like I just did so much stuff preparing, you know, the house and my clients and everyone else, but there comes a time where I have to do some things for me. So nighttime is kind of when I like to do all those things. So I'll walk you guys through that in a little bit. It's that time of night and it is Sunday, and so many of my favorite YouTubers have uploaded videos today. So I'm going to be watching those on the big screen, lights off, candle warmer on, chilling with my pajamas. I can't wait. But while you're up, listen, if you're not up, get up and set out your gym outfit for tomorrow. I'm not playing around. I'm not. Because you know what? Studies show, my studies, that if you do this, you're going to go to the gym. Or at least you're going to want to go because you see like, oh my God, look at that Slay Honor Active set that I have to wear to the gym tomorrow. And then you're going to get up and go. Side note, I'm kind of overwhelmed right now because obviously this is a very privileged thing to say, but this is overflowing with my gym clothes. 99.99% of the time I'm wearing gym clothes. Literally wore gym clothes as my outfit today. My closet is basically all Honor Active. Love that. And it's just not, it's overflowing. It's not fitting in this anymore, so I kind of want to find something else. I've had this since I was a baby. It's kind of overflowing for my gym clothes, so we're going to keep this. We're just going to put it in a different room. I kind of want to go to IKEA at some point and look at their, I think they're called wardrobes. Some places they're called like armories. I don't think I'm saying that right, but I want to look at that as an option just to see if that would be something that's good. And then I already have drawers that I want to put in here at some point to replace this. So I have some things I want to change up in my room, but my gym clothes organization is kind of a shit show. I always start my week off with a leg day, so I'm going to pick my leg day outfit for tomorrow, set it aside so it's ready to go, and I highly recommend you guys do that too. That's one of the best practices for me with committing to going to the gym and feeling motivated and setting intention, especially into a new week. When you start off on the right foot, when you go Monday, then you want to keep going and going. Small tiny thing you can do to help yourself. Another couple things that I wanted to mention that you guys can do that I sometimes do if you guys are super busy: meal planning and meal prepping. Meal prepping, obviously creating some breakfasts, lunches, or dinners have ready, especially if you are someone who goes into an office or is extremely busy at home. Meal planning is something my mom and I do every single weekend. Typically on Sundays, we write out a list of our kind of hypothetical dinners. We don't necessarily say what day we're gonna have them, but we have hypothetical dinners we're gonna make with stuff that we have on hand. We kind of are trying to clear out our freezer because we have a lot of stuff we say we're gonna make and then we don't make it, and then it accumulates. So as opposed to going to the store and buying a bunch of stuff, we're trying to make freezer dinners. So that is something that we've been doing, but we're trying to plan our meals in advance. Having intention, obviously, to cook at home is very important for people. And then the last thing that I like to do, which I'm actually gonna do when I hop into bed and get cozy, is I have the most lovely planner, and I love to categorize in my life all the 3 different different aspects of my life that are most important. So my work, my content, and my personal life. And I have those little things in my planner. Most amazing planner that I ever got. It's from Erin Condren. My mom got it for me for Christmas. Every single Sunday I sit down, write in it, write what I already have kind of made, and then obviously update it day to day, just so you have kind of like a week look at what you have to expect. Those are all my top things that I like to do on Sundays, along with obviously the cleaning and everything else. I know it seems like maybe that's a lot of things to do, but it's really not when you have the entire day to do things. Doing a few hours worth of stuff today, if it can save you hours that you don't have throughout the week, I think it's super helpful and worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.